New transcripts detailing the final desperate moments of George Floyd's life. They were taken word for word from the body cameras of two of the police officers, former police officers, who are charged in Floyd's death. CNN's Omar Jimenez joins us now with the details. Much more detail, Omar, than we had before.
That's right, John. This transcript comes as the defense attorney for former officer Thomas Lane files a motion to dismiss the case against his client. Now, it gives new insight as to what exactly happened leading up to George Floyd's final moments, starting with officers, or I should say including officers, trying to get Floyd into a police car. Remember, they were responding to a call over a fraudulent $20 bill being used. Floyd said he was claustrophobic. There seems to be a bit of a struggle. And then from there, Floyd says, okay, I want to lay on the ground. I want to lay on the ground. I want to lay on the ground. Lane says, you're getting in the squad car. Floyd, I want to lay on the ground. I'm going down. I'm going down. I'm going down. Then they go to the ground. Floyd says, I'm through. I'm claustrophobic. My stomach hurts. My neck hurts. Everything hurts. I need some water or something. Please. I can't breathe, officer. Then Officer Derek Chauvin says, then stop talking. Stop yelling. Floyd, you're going to kill me, man. Chauvin, then stop talking, stop yelling. It takes a heck of a lot of oxygen to talk. Floyd, come on, man. I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe. They'll kill me. They'll kill me. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. At one point, the transcript shows that Lane asked if Floyd should be moved to his side, to which Officer Derek Chauvin said, no, he's staying put. And that's part of what Lane's attorneys are arguing in their motion to dismiss, that Lane deferred to a senior officer on the scene. They argue that Lane had no reason to believe a crime was being committed, and I'm quoting the attorney from the motion here saying Chauvin was calmly positioned near Floyd's neck and back area. Chauvin's attorney officially has no comment at this time, and it's important to note we haven't seen the video itself to corroborate the transcript, but so far a lot of new details, again, giving this, in some cases, horrifying insight.